Oh no, it's gone. We've all been there. That sinking feeling when you realize something important is missing. You pat your pocket, your heart drops, you frantically search every nook and cranny. That little piece of plastic, your social security card, has vanished. It's not just any card, it's a key to your identity. But don't panic. Losing your social security card is more common than you think. Many people have faced this situation and come out just fine. However, it's crucial to take action quickly. The sooner you act, the better you can protect yourself from potential identity theft. Think of your social security card as the key to your financial identity. Without it, accessing important services becomes a challenge. It's essential for employment, taxes, and accessing benefits. Employers need it to verify your eligibility to work. Losing it can feel scary, but replacing it is easier than you might think. With the right steps, you'll have a new card in no time, restoring your peace of mind. The importance of acting fast. In today's fast-paced world, acting quickly can make all the difference. A lost social security card can fall into the wrong hands, leading to severe consequences. This can lead to identity theft, a serious crime with long-lasting consequences. Victims often find themselves in a stressful situation, trying to reclaim their identity. Imagine someone else opening credit cards in your name or filing fraudulent tax returns. These actions can ruin your credit score and cause financial havoc. Don't wait to act. The sooner you report your card lost or stolen, the better protected you are. Quick reporting can prevent unauthorized use and save you from potential financial disaster. Remember, taking swift action minimizes risks and gives you peace of mind. Acting fast not only protects your financial health, but also ensures your personal security. Stay vigilant and proactive. Replacing your card, a step-by-step guide. Whether you've lost your card, it's been stolen, or it's simply worn out, this guide will help you navigate the process smoothly. Ready to get your replacement card? Here's your easy-to-follow plan. 1. Gather your documents. This is a crucial first step. Without the right documents, you won't be able to proceed. Before you begin, collect your birth certificate or passport and a recent pay stub or W-2 form. These documents verify your identity. Make sure they are up to date and in good condition. Having these ready will save you time and hassle later. 2. Visit the SSA website. This is where you'll find all the necessary forms and instructions. Go to www.ssa.gov, the official website of the Social Security Administration. It's your one-stop shop for all things Social Security. Here, you can find detailed information and resources. 3. Complete the application. Look for the replacement card application online. Fill out the form accurately and completely. Don't rush, double-check your information. Any mistakes could delay the process. 4. Submit and relax. Submit your application online or print it out and mail it in. The Social Security Administration will process your request and mail you a brand new card. Keep an eye on your mailbox, and soon you'll have your replacement card in hand. It's that simple. Congratulations, you've successfully replaced your Social Security card. Now let's talk about keeping it safe. Avoid carrying your card with you unless absolutely necessary. Consider investing in a home safe or a locked fireproof box. Remember, protecting your Social Security card is an ongoing responsibility. Be vigilant about safeguarding your personal information. Losing your Social Security card can feel overwhelming, but remember, you've taken the right steps. By acting quickly and following these simple guidelines, you've minimized any potential risks. The process of replacing a Social Security card is straightforward and efficient. The Social Security Administration is there to help you every step of the way. For more information and assistance, visit the Social Security Administration website at www.ssa.gov or call their toll-free number at 1-800-772-1213. You are not alone. Millions of Americans have successfully replaced their Social Security cards. Stay informed and stay safe.